I am pleased to be here today as OSF HealthCare and Monmouth College celebrate yet another collaborative effort, the Monmouth College OSF 3+1 nursing program. This joint endeavor is a model of how institutions of higher learning and other public and private organizations can collaborate to provide exciting career opportunities for students. But this also serves a vital need in our region and state, and it's the critical shortage of nurses.
The impact of this partnership will greatly benefit our students, the rural community, healthcare, and contribute to the sustainability of both academic institutions. It is truly a very happy Nurses Week.
Being an alum of Monmouth College and Vice Chair of the Board of Trustees, Monmouth College and all it has to offer students is very special to me. What an amazing opportunity for Monmouth students majoring in biology, biopsychology, or health science and human movement to complete their degree in 3 years, and then in the 4th year, complete the St. Francis Medical Center College of Nursing's 1-year accelerated Bachelor Science of Nursing. And doing all of it right here on this beautiful campus